Did you know yawning isn't just about boredom or sleep? Scientists believe its main purpose is to cool your brain. When your brain overheats, from stress, deep thinking, or heat, yawning acts like a natural radiator. The jaw stretch boosts blood flow, and the deep breath pulls in cooler air that lowers brain temperature. Studies in humans and animals show brain temperature rises before a yawn and drops right after. Yawning works best when the air is cooler, which is why it happens less in extreme heat or cold. Even contagious yawning may help groups stay mentally alert. So next time you yawn, your brain is just keeping its cool. Subscribe for more mind-blowing facts.